Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you, I'm starting like a little mini makeover series I've decided. So I have a lot of bits and pieces out in the shed. As you guys know, if you've seen some of my other videos, yes, I need to address that issue and declutter that. So I thought what a great opportunity it is to get in there when my daughter is away for her weekends with her dad and just start those projects that I've got in there that have been just put off. Otherwise they're just never going to get done, and just little bits and pieces around the house. So today's mini makeover is going to be this fireplace here. I am going to just paint the inside of it. The inside of it is currently a disgusting deep purple, so the idea is to repaint that today. I'm also going to my brother's house and I'm going to show you a little bit of a sneak peek of what to expect. I would say it would be around February, just to be safe. That would be the video that will be coming out then, but just a bit of a sneak peek of the pergola area, because you guys did ask for some outdoor areas to be done on my Facebook page, and I'm also going to be doing a little bit of shopping as well. So guys, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing, just taking you for a day in the life and a bit of a little mini makeover in my lounge room area. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Of course, if you do, I'd love you to stick around, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another video, and let's jump into it. Okay, so this is today's project. Obviously, I need to clean this TV. Look at how disgusting it is. Because I can't get behind there, it's like, look at it. It's so disgusting and dirty. So the color of this was originally like this purple color, and for some reason I really liked it at the time, but not anymore. So what I'm going to do is head off to Bunnings and get like a sample pot, which is going to be just like, they can scan this and get a color from that. So that's what I'm going to do, so it matches up as best as possible. So this looks a bit more seamless, but I'm not sure what to do with this. So this gas log fire is not working. So I can either stack stone all this, or I can do something with it. I don't know what. I could make it storage or something, but I don't know. Like, it might just look dodgy. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But that is today's project. So we're going to go and head off to Bunnings now and get this day started.
I've been out looking at places for some love, but everywhere I look, it points me back to you. Don't you say we got too crazy? A little mischief makes fun. You told me I was your favorite book. Was it true? Those good old days are worth looking.
So I have arrived at my brother's place, and we're going to go and now check out this retaining wall. So this is the retaining wall, and apparently this is called exposed aggregate. Is that right, Dan?
That's correct.
Yeah, so it's when they like wash away that last bit of concrete to on the top layer to like expose all the stones and that, so it looks nicer. But yeah, so basically he's got ones coming in that are going to be custom made, because he's going to put a walkway through here, and he's had to like change them from 3 high to 2 high just because it wouldn't be like level and it will look shit. So yeah, everything's got to be sort of custom made there. So when that comes around, we'll show you how it's all done. So yes, that's the big project, so we'll show you when that happens, but we're going to be doing like this whole area as well. So he's going to be doing, I'm just going to record it for you because he's nice enough to let me. So he's going to do all like what did you call it before, that exposed concrete, exposed aggregate it's called. Yep, so he's going to do that on there, and then a pergola up here, and then we're going to be sharing some of the landscaping as well, which he's going to do all himself. So yeah, that's what you've got to look forward to. So it's now 3:45. I spent way too long at my brother's house, so I am just about to head into Kmart. I don't know if that's a good idea. Hopefully I don't end up too broke. I actually need a new toaster, so my toaster is completely gone right now.
Shining through, see it from a point of view.
So guys, I'm back out from my little shopping trip and, you know, seeing my brother for the day, and I just thought I'd quickly share with you what I did buy. So this is pretty much all I got from Kmart. I bought a $7 toaster. So yes, I did show you some of the fancy ones that they had there. They did look pretty cool, but because I don't put mine on my bench, I am happy to spend $7 on the toaster. And really, I only pretty much make a lot of toast for Tully and not myself. And then I just got some more cleaning cloths. And this place is my kryptonite. Yes, I spent $80 today. I'll show you what I did buy. So I got this one here, which is the antiviral. So I just use this one every morning and it helps support the immune system. Then I have this one here is the Astragalus Tri. Basically this one here is if you're starting to feel a bit sick, you start using this, and this helps increase white blood cells, I think it was. And it helps you just fight that nasty cough and stuff. Like, I'm not a naturopath, but these are from a naturopath. Like, this is where I buy all this stuff from. This is the after dinner mint. It's really, really sweet. It helps like calm down your nervous system and your digestive system. Not super minty either. So yes, and then the last thing I got was the Collagen Beauty. I haven't actually tried any of these before. This was $30. It has no taste, so I'm actually going to start putting this in my water bottle before I go to work, and then hopefully I will see some results from it, because I'm starting to get a few fine lines. I'm 36 and I'm starting to get wrinkles. Oh gosh, what's the world coming to? So as you can see from the brightness of my skin, we are losing daylight. So I'm actually going to go out the front and start cleaning the area, and then I might put the stain blocker on tonight. I'm crossing fingers that it will dry. Anyway, let's get stuck into it. What's in there, guys? It's like a gold mine full of crap. I don't even know how, because those wires go in under this wall here. So it's gonna be real fun.
We got the heat, the sinners and the devil is well. This kind of town, it just fans the flame. It don't mean nothing unless the world knows your name. My friend plays a mean guitar. He writes the riffs and I sing the bars, and we practice in abandoned railroad cars. We sound like trash but think we're superstars. We were just young, dreaming the dream, and trying to make our name up on that local scene. Till late one night when my friend left town, and I started hearing music without the sound. I'm saving money, working the drive-thru, singing through the speaker. Will that be all for you? Cashed it in and I bought that ride. Just a pen, a paper, and my girl at my side.
Oh my gosh, look. I know it's only the stain blocker, but look at how much better that looks. It's going to look so much better when I take the tape off and I actually put the next coat on. And if you're wondering why I haven't painted all this purple bit, it's because I don't need to. The TV pretty much covers it. There's a little bit up the top here that the TV doesn't really cover as much. Like, you can see this tiny bit, but other than that, the TV covers it. And when I was painting this, I thought, what the hell was I thinking painting this? Because I remember how hard it was to like sand in here. Yeah, it was painful, and I remember cutting my fingers on, like my knuckles on the top of the stack stone as well, because it was really hard to get in there. So I was thinking, what was I thinking? But now looking at it, like, it's just so much better already. So it is Sunday now, and I've just painted another coat on this. I've got the heater going on it. I'm about to duck down to the supermarket very quickly, because obviously you shouldn't leave the heater going, and cook myself some bacon and eggs and wait for this to dry. Then I can put the second coat on.
Forget that, I'm just gonna put this thing out. Let the universe decide if I should wear the crown.
Okay, so this is the end result for the paint work. I'm actually pretty happy with it compared to what it used to look like. Just mind the house, it is very messy at the moment. As you guys know, I have been sick lately. So yes, but basically I need to stick the tile back on there. I'm hoping that I can get that done, and then this will be this little area done, which will be great. And one thing project ticked off. Yay!
Your funeral, I take us far. Still sound like trash, but I'm a superstar. I've been searching and I'm meant to find it. Every curtain got a ghost behind it. I hear the voice of my grandma saying, "Go with son, if you make it, don't forget about her."
Okay, and this is the end result, guys. I'm loving it. It finally looks so much more homely. I can see that the right side's very dark at the moment. It's starting to get to that time of day, unfortunately. So I hope this has inspired you to, you know, do those little projects around the home. I do know there's a lot of people in lockdown at the moment, so it's a great opportunity for you guys to, you know, get those little projects and stuff done that are sitting around the home. I know it is much easier to watch Netflix and just relax while you've got the time off, but you know, these jobs aren't going to get themselves done, and they're always going to be lingering in the back of your mind. So yeah, that's just my opinion. I would just be getting out there and getting them done. So I'm hoping that this has inspired you to do so. So guys, I'm just going to leave it at that for today. I hope you've all enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd love you to stick around, subscribe, turn on a notification bell so you don't miss another video. I do have a Facebook and an Instagram page where you can catch me on throughout the week, and I will see you next week for a new video. See you then. Bye.